Meet Nicoletta. She works as sales director at All Engines, a global provider of gas turbine engines for large commercial vessels. Nicoletta is on a call with the buyer at Global Shipping, talking through the specification of a new range of turbine engines. Her customer wants to see if a specific engine will fit in their vessel. Nicoletta is not sure and needs to check with Jake, the engineering project manager. Nicoletta sends an email to Jake asking for some help. Jake is sitting in the airport waiting for his flight when he receives an email. Unfortunately, it doesn't have all the information available, so he says he'll need to wait until he's back in the office in the next few days. Nicoletta tells the customer and offers to schedule a follow-up call with them next week. Now meet the world with Virtalis Reach. Nicoletta has invited her customer to an online reach session to show the new product in the context of the customer's ship. She leads the customer down to the lower deck to examine the engine room. They review the old engine location. Nicoletta then takes the customer to look at the new upgrade options. The customer would like to see if an upgrade to the largest engine is possible within their budget. This isn't a standard fit for their vessels, so Nicoletta swaps out the old engine for the new one within reach, and they both take a look at it. Nicoletta identifies a potential problem, and so she adds in a comment. In the comment she mentions Jake, who is immediately notified. After she has added her comment, she continues her conversation with the customer regarding the new engine. Meanwhile, Jake is waiting in the airport when he gets a notification from Reach. He opens the model and investigates the issue. Jake decides that he needs to consult his structural engineering contractor. Jake reaches out to Amir, who is on a break but he's still able to join the Reach session from his phone. Amir and Jake review the issue and discuss the modifications that are required. Here, Virtalis Reach is allowing them to effortlessly collaborate, regardless of the size and complexity of the virtual model involved. Supporting a rich level of interaction between Jake and Amir, Virtalis Reach enables them to communicate more effectively, achieve greater insight into the problem, make better informed decisions, and most importantly, respond quickly to Nicoletta's requests. After some discussion, they reach the conclusion, and Amir gives Jake an estimate of the time and cost required to fit the new engine. Jake replies to Nicoletta's comment, and confirms that the work can be done within the customer's budget. Meanwhile, Nicoletta is just finishing a presentation to the customers when she receives confirmation from Jake and immediately informs them. The customer is impressed with the speed of response and confidently ordered the upgrades. Virtalis Reach. On-demand collaboration involving large 3D models anytime, anywhere, across multiple devices, effortlessly and securely across the entire value chain. Virtalis Reach. At the heart of your business. For design reviews, virtual training, contextual digital twins, sales and marketing, maintenance and operations.